Dead bug. We will be using an exercise mat for support. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the mat. Lift your feet off the mat so that your knees are just over your hips at a 90-degree angle. Raise your arms over your chest. Turn the palms of your hands towards each other. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and relax your shoulder blades so that they are flat on the mat. Pull your belly button in toward your spine. Tilt your pelvis slightly so that your lower back is flat to the ground. Slowly, with control, lower your right foot towards the mat. At the same time, extend your left arm over your head. Try not to rest your arm on the mat. Do this movement for a count of 3. Bring your leg and arm back to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side with your left leg and right arm. Repeat until you have finished 10 to 15 repetitions, alternating sides. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. Do not rush through this exercise. Using proper technique can help you to avoid lower back pain. It is common to feel a pulling or stretching sensation when you extend your arm overhead. This is particularly common if you have had a procedure such as a lumpectomy, mastectomy, or radiation treatment. This feeling is normal and it should feel like a good stretch. If you are experiencing any discomfort, stop the exercise and speak to your doctor or exercise team.